Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make this fluffy whipping cream from white peas or Kabuli Chana. This is a dairy-free alternative to decorate cakes or wherever you find use of whipping cream. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. First, I have taken 1 cup of Kabuli Chana or white peas and soaked them in water for 8 hours. You can see the water has become murky and the chana has doubled in size. Remove the water in which the chana were sitting. Now let's boil the chana. I am using a pressure cooker to boil the chana. For 1 cup of dry chickpeas, I am using 1.5 cup of water. Add in the water to the pressure cooker. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Close the lid of pressure cooker and give 6 whistles on medium flame. Keep the flame on medium and wait until the cooker gives 6 whistles. After 6 whistles, let the pressure of the pressure cooker come down completely before opening the lid. You can see the chana has boiled very well. We are not using the chana to make the whipping cream. Strain the chana and store the chana in Ziploc bags for later use. Freeze the chana for later use. The water that has collected into the bowl is aquafaba or bean water. This is what we are using to make the whipping cream. Measure the aquafaba or bean water by using a tablespoon. I am taking 5 tablespoons of aquafaba. You can use the bean water right away after letting it cool down completely or freeze the bean water for later use. For 5 tablespoons of aquafaba, I am using 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Freeze the remaining aquafaba for later use. You need a hand mixer to whip this aquafaba. It will take a long time to whip this aquafaba into whipping cream, so I recommend using a hand mixer. You can whip it with your hand, but it takes a lot of time. While beating the aquafaba, you need to remember one thing: increase the speed as time increases. For first 1 minute, beat on 1 speed. For the second minute, beat on 2 speed. For the third minute, beat on 3 speed. And for the fourth minute, decrease the speed to 2. And for the fifth minute, decrease it to 1 and rest the machine for 2 to 3 minutes. Continue this for 3 times. You can see after beating it for 10 minutes, the aquafaba is starting to thicken a lot. After beating it for 15 minutes, this is how the aquafaba looks. After beating a total of 17 minutes, you can see the whipping cream has formed stiff peaks. Use this to decorate cakes or wherever whipping cream has an application. This is a much nutritious and healthier alternative to decorate your desserts. Definitely try this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.